everyone and welcome to the Big Shop series. My name's Emer. I'm a chef. I make all the basics from scratch and I moved home to Ireland 3 months ago after living in Canada for over 10 years. And since then I've started to share my weekly grocery hauls with you, and then during the week I share a few recipes as well. Now when I go grocery shopping I have a few things that I try to prioritize, that's staying within budget as best I can, supporting local, and then eating as high quality nutritious foods as we can. So my first stop as always is Grow HQ. 200 grams of organic oats, and these are actually from Flavin's, produced in Waterford. So I got a kg of organic Fusilli, 12 farm fresh eggs from their farm out in Curramore in Portlaw, a litre of milk. I bought the bottles, own the bottles, and then I bring them to be refilled, but they sell them at DIY for like $1.70. 500 mils of extra virgin olive oil, a refill of dish soap, 1 kg of organic spelt flour. Oh my God, it contains some gluten. Is spelt not gluten-free? I bought this for the Bread Habit series because I thought it was gluten-free. I'm such a gobshite. Okay, so some spelt flour. 100% Irish product, which is great. We'll find a use for it. That's amazing. Okay, 100 grams of organic red lentils, 1 turnip, 2 organic leeks. I thought it was pretty smart to bring an empty cereal box with me today to fill up. So some lovely Irish organic apples, big bag of organic Irish carrots, 2.5 kgs of organic Irish potatoes, 2 organic Irish onions, 2 organic garlic bulbs. And then last from Grow HQ was some Dungarvan wild raw Irish honey. So next I went across the road to Arkeen Stores, which is one of the last independent grocery stores in Ireland. A punnet of green grapes, 2 bunches of organic fair trade bananas, a selection of chilies, a bag of 10 of the best oranges you can buy in Waterford. So you can get 5 of these for $1.79 in Arkeen. 2 bell peppers, 3 limes, and 1 container of fresh cilantro. Coriander. 1 carton of Irish cream, 2 tubs of organic Irish yogurt, 1 block of butter, 150 grams of Parmigiano Reggiano. And then we just bought this for the crack. It is, I actually can't pronounce it. It's raw cow's milk. There's something going through the middle of this, which made us. Let me see. I don't want to say it wrong. It's 160 grams and it was $4.22 for, let's have a taste. Oh, it's cold, which isn't great, but if you didn't know, cheese should be eaten at room temperature. Is it Maubert? Blue cheese situation going through the middle of it. It's amazing. After Arkeen then, I went across the road to Aldi. A tub of sour cream, 1 box of yeast. Cheap, 92 cents for 8 packets. Tin of coffee. So this surprised me. I didn't see these the last time I was in Aldi. But organic whole peel tomatoes. Ingredients read organic tomatoes 60%, organic tomato juice 40%, no other ingredients. These were 89 cents a tin. I thought that was great value. And then lastly, from Aldi, box of Ziploc bags, parchment paper, and cling film. So this week was a little bit more of an expensive shop for me because, well, by the time I post this, I'll have already done it. But I'm actually going up to Ireland tomorrow for a trial run to see if I'm going to actually be on Ireland AM moving forward. So I'm going to make some fish chowder. So I went into Billy Burke's. My bestie's a Billy Burke's, and ended up chatting to Liam for like 20 minutes. What a legend. So I got 3 pounds of their fish mix for the fish chowder. So I need to make some tonight to bring with me to Dublin. So that's what this is for. But then I asked Liam when I saw him, is there any chance you have like a styrofoam box that I can use and keep the fish really cold in with like an ice pack to bring up with me? And one of the women were like, oh my God, I found this box and thought like, I'm going to put this aside because one day I know I'm going to need it for something. And she was like, it's for this. So they were so good, vac packed the fish for me and also gave me an ice pack so it would get to Dublin safely, which is just, I love supporting local. And I love an L chat. Like I could stand in the shop for literally hours on end. Like I just love it so much. It just makes me really feel like I'm part of the community. And especially after being away for so many years, like it is hard to integrate yourself back in to Ireland. And sometimes, you know, I'm sure a lot of people have felt like this, like you could feel like an outsider coming back after so many years away. And I just think like the Big Shop series has really pushed me to meeting new people and people that have so much influence in the food we eat in Waterford and do so much work behind the scenes to keep these shops open. And I just think it's absolutely incredible. Like, they're so lovely in there. Like, all the staff at all the stores, like Grow HQ, I could stand in there for 2 hours chatting to Mick, the owner, all the staff, just incredible. And like Arkeen stores as well, like it's not just a shop, like it's actually a community in there. Like everyone knows everyone. Like a lot of people would just go to Arkeen stores to just potter, meet friends, go up to Cafe Lucia for a bite, go on to the post office, maybe get their medication there at the pharmacy. And then it's just, there's just something really special about it. And I always took it for granted when I lived here because I wouldn't have shopped at Arkeen stores because I would have thought that it was too expensive. And yeah, like Arkeen stores absolutely is on the more expensive side of life, but that's why I don't go there for all of my bits. I go there for the fruit and the veg. It's really high quality, and I know I'm also being able to support one of the last local owned grocery stores or independently owned grocery stores in Ireland. And there's just something lovely about that I don't mind spending the few extra bob. And a lot of the time, like say for like instance, the Kerrygold butter and the Glennisk, and the Glennisk, am I pronouncing that right? Yogurt, like they're the same price everywhere, no matter where you buy it. So if I'm able to get those things for the same price, especially, and support a local shop as well, like I'm going to do it. Like it just makes me so happy that I have the means to do it and have so much fun and then get to share with all of you as well, which is just another element of fun for me. Like, okay, so lastly, of course, down to Ben no fins. Normally I like to put all my meat and everything that I've got. Well, I'm about to cook the fish chowder, so I'm obviously not putting that away, and that's going straight back into the fridge for tomorrow. But normally, excuse me, normally I like to put all my meat into, sorry, I have the worst indigestion. It's the cheese. Can't do much dairy, lads. I put all my meat into glass containers to keep it fresh in the fridge, but I actually need all my glass containers to go up to Ireland AM tomorrow. So that's why they're not, that's why they're still in plastic bags. So I will deal with that tomorrow. 2 pounds of ground beef. Minced beef? Ground beef in Ireland, minced beef in Canada, is it? Now I'm confused. I'm so excited for this. A piece of white and black pudding, 16 Irish sausages, 5 pork chops. I got some chicken legs and thighs because we're doing fajitas this week. Lastly, 1 2 kg free range chicken. Okay, so totals for this week. Obviously, this is a more expensive week for me because I have to get the ingredients for Ireland AM as well. But there's no point in me like trying to stress about like dividing off how much it would cost for me not to include those ingredients. Like that's just a part of my life. And since you're already seeing everything I buy, I might as well just tell you everything I spent just for the crack, like, because I will get stressed trying to divide everything up and then it's just too overwhelming for me. So I'm just going to give you totals of how much I actually spent based on whatever my life looks like this week. So for this week, Grow HQ was 65.51. Arkeen stores came to 43.03. Aldi came to 15.45. O'Flynn's came to €48. And then lastly for the fish at Billy Burke's, it was €20. And this week's total to €191.99. All right, so that's it. We'll see you next week. Slán!